Configuring the IP address visibility in the Mail app on your iPhone 16 helps protect your privacy by masking your location information when sending emails. Here's how to manage these IP address settings on the new iOS smartphone. First, swipe up from the bottom of the current display to return to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. Find Mail from the list of apps and then tap on it to proceed. From the Mail app settings, scroll to the Messages section and tap on Privacy Protection. In the succeeding menu, toggle the switch to turn off Protect Mail activity. Finally, find the Hide IP address option, then use the toggle switch to turn on to hide your IP address or turn off to show your IP address. Note that hiding your IP address adds an extra layer of privacy, but may affect some email functionality. You can follow the same steps to reconfigure this setting at any time, according to your privacy needs and mailing preferences. And that's how you manage IP address settings in the Mail app on your iPhone 16. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful smartphone tips and tutorial videos like this.